2022 Infiniti Q60, but she's not an ordinary Q60. She's a red sport. The red sport is top of the line. Top of the line. You got a red leather, you got the Bose, you got the Apple CarPlay, you got the Android Auto, you got the sunroof, you got sporty, you got luxury, you got elegance, you got everything. If you wanna take her for a test drive, you let me know. It's Carlo Guanlao, aka Mr. Wonderful. And in the meantime, before you call me, I'm gonna enjoy her. I'll see you guys then.